Information about Aronia melanocarpa. Aronia melanocarpa, also known as black chokeberry, is a deciduous shrub native to eastern North America. It is a member of the rose family, Rosaceae, and can grow up to 3 meters in height. The fruit of Aronia melanocarpa is a small, dark purple berry that is rich in antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which give the fruit its deep color. The berries are quite tart and astringent, and are generally not eaten raw, but are often used in jams, jellies, and baked goods, or as a juice or extract. Aside from its culinary uses, Aronia melanocarpa is also valued for its potential health benefits. It has been studied for its potential anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer, and cardiovascular benefits, as well as its ability to improve immune function and support digestive health. Aronia melanocarpa is a hardy and adaptable plant that can thrive in a variety of soil types and growing conditions. It is commonly used in landscaping and as a wildlife plant, as the berries are a food source for many bird species.